Lens stuck, camera won't start, or you see a lens error message right after powering on. This usually happens when the lens mechanism can't extend or retract properly. On a Nikon COOLPIX, this is often caused by dust, slight impact, or the lens getting blocked during movement. You might notice the lens tries to move but stops halfway, or the camera shuts off immediately after showing the error. Sometimes even a small particle or slight misalignment can prevent the lens from functioning smoothly. In other cases, the camera may just need a reset to clear the issue. Instead of assuming the camera is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get it working again. 1. Turn off the camera and remove the battery. 2. Wait for about a minute before reinserting the battery. 3. Turn the camera on while gently checking the lens area. 4. Remove any visible dust or debris around the lens. 5. Ensure nothing is blocking the lens movement. 6. Restart the camera and check if the lens extends properly.